This is a security announcement reminding passengers to keep a watchful eye on their luggage and personal belongings at all times. Unattended luggage can cause unnecessary security alerts.
This is a customer information announcement. Please note the train doors on Intercity Express services will close 2 minutes prior to departure. Customers travelling on Lonchester Express, Lonchester Connect, Commuter, Regional or Roblox Rail are advised that train doors will close up to 30 seconds prior to departure. Platform 7 from the 10:00 regional service to Westport, calling at Walden, Wilmington South, Airport Parkway, Ramsey and Westport. This train is formed of 4 coaches. The next train to depart from platform 10 will be the 10:03 commuter service to Denthorpe, calling at Walden, Crossroad, Herrington, Deansgate, Strand, Horsley Junction, Doris Meadow, Whitsley, London Road Denthorpe and Denthorpe. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Change at Herrington for services to Wolf Mill. Platform 2 from the 10:04 Intercity Express service to Denthorpe, calling at Lonchester Airport, Bentley, Hampton and Denthorpe. This train is formed of 6 coaches. For your safety and comfort, this station operates a no smoking policy. Please do not smoke on the station. Thank you for your cooperation. Platform 9 from the 10:10 commuter service to Herrington, calling at Walden, Crossroad and Herrington. This train is formed of 2 coaches. The train at platform 1 is the 10:07 Intercity Express service to Robloxia, calling at Lonchester Airport, Hampton, Denthorpe, Barnsworth, Robloxia Airport Parkway and Robloxia. This train is formed of 11 coaches. A buffet counter service of fast and cold snacks is available on the train. First class accommodation is at the front of the train. Platform 1 from the 10:07 Intercity Express service to Robloxia. The next train to depart from platform 6 will be the 10:13 Lonchester Express service to Lonchester Airport, calling at Lonchester Airport only. This train is formed of 12 coaches. Please be aware that tickets marked Lonchester Connect only are not valid on this train. Platform 6 from the 10:13 Lonchester Express service to Lonchester Airport. The next train to depart from platform 3 will be the 10:15 Intercity Express service to Denthorpe, calling at Lonchester Airport, Bentley, Hampton and Denthorpe. This train is formed of 6 coaches. Platform 3 from the 10:15 Intercity Express service to Denthorpe. Platform 8 from the 10:20 Roblox Rail service to Robloxia, calling at Lonchester Airport, Bentley, Hampton, Denthorpe, Barnsworth, Robloxia Airport Parkway and Robloxia. This train is formed of 4 coaches. In the interest of safety, customers are reminded not to run when boarding trains at any time whilst here at Isembard Station. Platform 7 from the 10:17 T2T service to Denthorpe via Winston Grove, calling at Walden, Wilmington South, Airport Parkway, Lonchester Airport, Winston Grove, Bentley, Hampton, Denham, Woodthorpe, Everley, Queensbridge, London Road Denthorpe and Denthorpe. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Change at Airport Parkway for services to Ramsey and Westport. Final check-in for train 9128. The 10:30 departure to Brussels, Lille, Ashford International and London St Pancras International. Customers for the 10:30 train to Brussels and London St Pancras International, this is the final call for check-in. Please go immediately to check-in. Dernier rappel pour non-répondants pour le train 9128 de 18h12 à destination de Bruxelles, Lille, Ashford International et Londres St Pancras International. Les passagers sont priés à primauté immédiate pour nous exprimer. Dernier rappel pour non-répondants. This is your Transport for Lonchester travel information. There are minor delays on the Mary and Tudor lines. There is currently a good service operating on all other lines. The next train to arrive at platform 10 will be the 10:33 Roblox rail service from Thomas Gardens. This train will terminate here. Platform 8 from the 10:33 Lonchester Connect service to Lonchester Airport. Calling at Warden, Wilmington South and Lonchester Airport, this train is formed of 4 coaches. Change at Wilmington South for services to Airport Parkway, Ramsey and Westport. Please stand clear of the train at platform 1. This train is ready to leave.
Voie 1. Attention au passage d'un train. Éloignez-vous de la bordure du quai.
Please do not leave your luggage unattended. Unattended luggage can cause unnecessary security alerts. A secured left luggage facility is located on the station main concourse to enable passengers to store their luggage. Ladies and gentlemen, for your own safety, please stand back from the platform edge, and when boarding and alighting trains, please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Thank you. This is a platform alteration. The 10:40 Intercity Express service to Robloxia will now depart from platform 1. Platform 6 from the 10:35 regional service to Westport. Calling at Warden, Wilmington South, Airport Parkway, Ramsey and Westport. This train is formed of 4 coaches. This is information for passengers waiting for the 10:40 Intercity Express service to Robloxia. Calling at Lonchester Airport, Hampton, Denthorpe, Barnsworth, Robloxia, Airport Parkway and Robloxia. Please note that this train will today depart from platform number 1. This is a platform alteration to platform number 1 for the 10:40 Intercity Express service to Robloxia. Calling at Lonchester Airport, Hampton, Denthorpe, Barnsworth, Robloxia, Airport Parkway and Robloxia. Welcome to Lonchester Isembard.
Please keep all personal items with you at all times to avoid crime. If you see something or anyone acting suspiciously,
please tell a member of staff or a police officer. All of our passengers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and the platform edge when boarding and alighting our trains. The next train to depart from platform 1 will be the 10:40 Intercity Express service to Robloxia. Calling at Lonchester Airport, Hampton, Denthorpe, Barnsworth, Robloxia Airport Parkway and Robloxia. This train is formed of 9 coaches. An ant-seat service of light refreshments is available on the train. First class accommodation is at the front of the train. Platform 1 from the 10:40 Intercity Express service to Robloxia. Platform 10 from the 10:45 Roblox rail service to Robloxia. Calling at Lonchester Airport, Bentley, Hampton, Denthorpe, Barnsworth, Robloxia Airport Parkway and Robloxia. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Please be aware that tickets marked Intercity Express only are not valid on this train. The next train to depart from platform 7 will be the 10:50 Lonchester Express service to Lonchester Airport. Calling at Lonchester Airport only. This train is formed of 12 coaches. Please be aware that tickets marked Lonchester Connect only are not valid on this train. Platform 7 from the 10:50 Lonchester Express service to Lonchester Airport. The next train to depart from platform 9 will be the 10:57 commuter service to Harrington. Calling at Walden, Crossroad and Harrington. This train is formed of 2 coaches. Platform 9 from the 10:57 commuter service to Harrington.
24-hour CCTV recording is in operation at this station for the purpose of security and safety management. This is a safety announcement. It is not permitted to cycle, skateboard or rollerblade within the station building. Ticket checks are in operation at this station. Please have your ticket available for inspection.
The next train to depart from platform 2 will be the 10:55 Smiley Face Express service to Ben City Central. Calling at Lonchester Airport, Bentley, Hampton, Denthorpe, Barnsworth, Blenheim Airport Parkway, Derby Circus, Ben City Victoria and Ben City Central. This train is formed of 8 coaches. This train will not be calling at Ben Cole Airport Parkway today. This is due to a member of train crew being unavailable.